Shepherd, everything alright?
Yeah, man. Me have sitting for go deal with you. Go buy your food. Oh, me have something to tell you before you go. You have some hands. Some set a class of hands. Some low down, dirty, now have no life hands. Some hands where when you let your milk, they man crawl go in there. And so then crawl go in there and mix up. Nice them. You want to go buy your food? Read between the ants and the milk. I wonder if him know who me be.
Hello, Patsita. How you doing? Why your boyfriend a real sampling? My girl is in the road. Cause I just saw him a while ago, you know. On another lunch date with a female which is not you. Patsita, when are you going to learn? Talk to me. Patsita, when are you going to leave this life? I'm telling you. It's no good for you, man. You know, I haven't seen you in a couple of days. Where are you? Oh, you're by mom. Tell her hi for me, no? So I guess I'll see you when you get home.
You know, say you take a joke too far.
Oh, I'm reach you, sir.
It no clock, you don't know who you're wrong with.
What's that? What's that?